right, today I am going to talk about how we made these beautiful Duroc smoky pork chops with Cleveland whiskey cherry wood soaked wood chunks. All right, everyone, what is up and welcome back. Today we are doing something pretty exciting. Let me just show you. Right now I got some really nice Duroc ribeye pork chops that we're just going to season up with a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. They did brine overnight for a little bit, but I ran into somebody that let me know about something pretty cool. So the local distillery around here uses wood chunks, flavored wood chunks in their whiskey, and I just happen they give them away. They don't have any room for them in their new location right now. So I got some whiskey soaked cherry wood, still a little bit wet from their distilling process. And I'm gonna season these pork chops up with a little bit of SPG, and we're just gonna put these chunks here. You can still see that they're wet. We're just gonna put some of these chunks here in the egg, get some smoke going, season these chops up, and we're gonna slow smoke them until about 135 degrees, and then we'll take them off, get the fire going back up, and get a reverse sear on them, take them off, and see if these make a difference. They smell phenomenal, so I'm excited to eat my whiskey. So the grill's already heated up. We just gotta throw some wood chips on. So we've already got the grill heated up to 225. Got the indirect cooking plate setter in here. I'm just gonna pop it out real quick. We don't need too many. Say I got about 15 chunks in there. Chunks in there. By the time I put the plate setter back in and get it going, should get some nice smoke rolling off there before we put these pork chops on. It's already started. All right, pretty simple today. We're just gonna put a little olive oil on, and I can use olive oil because we're not going really high temperature, so we don't have to worry about it smoking. By the time we put the sear on it, the olive oil ain't gonna matter. And this is just my homemade SPG. And I got my RFXs all ready to go, so we're gonna put in the ThermoWorks RFX wireless meat probes. We'll go put these on. Alright, so we're at the grill. We got some nice smoke rolling off there. I'm gonna put these on here, bone side to the back. This one's a little bit scarce, so I'm gonna put that one in the middle. And we're just gonna let these go until they hit temp. So we'll be back here probably 45 minutes to an hour. We'll watch them through our app with the ThermoWorks RFX. All right, pork chops done. I'm not gonna lie, I did put a little bit of a glaze on there that I made, mango or cherry habanero barbecue sauce. But let's cut into this and see what it looks like. So this is just, I don't know if you could see it, but it is just dripping with juice and glistening on the inside. Now, is there a smoke ring? A little faint one around the edges. I don't expect too much of a smoke ring on a 37-minute total cook time. This smells smoky. Got really good sweetness to it. You can definitely get a little kind of a peppery bite from the whiskey, maybe. It might be from all the pepper in my SPG, but I don't think so. I think that's from the whiskey. I think these wood chips are pretty cool. And I'm going to definitely do some more longer smoking things besides a pork chop with them. So maybe I'll try a pork belly. And there's a good pork chop though. I think I'm going to do a pork belly next, and I'll try a pork roast. Maybe I'll try something thinner pork chop with just using only this wood and no other charcoal, except for a little bit to get a base going. We'll just use some briquettes or something instead of the Fogo wood. But I'm glad I got these things. I'm going to be doing a lot with them. I also have some oak barrel ones. So look forward to some great things coming up. I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating this pork chop, and I'll see you guys next time. If you like the videos, please like and subscribe, share them. I appreciate it, and we'll see you soon.